eminent personality who has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party today, Mr. K. Annamalai ji, to deliver a short speech.
Our National General Secretary. Our National General Secretary Muralidhar Rao ji, our State President L. Murugan ji, our National Spokesperson Sambit Patra ji, and all the press journalist friends who are here. I'll start with a small Tirukural from our great land. It's in Iraimachi, Kural number 382. It says, Anjamai, Igai, Arivukam, in Nalgum, Enjamai, Vendar Kalah. I come from a land which is historic. And in this beautiful Tirukural, it talks about the qualities a king and an administrator should have. It talks about fearlessness, it talks about courage, it talks about giving spirit, it talks about knowledge. I see all four of this with our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and all the eminent leaders of BJP party. With this, I have decided that I should strengthen the movement, what the party stands for, and as our National General Secretaries are rightly observed, to bring that nationalist spirit to our state of Tamil Nadu. And I'll try my best as a loyal soldier of this party and under our presidentship, Sri L. Murugan ji, to dedicate my time and my energy to further this cause in Tamil Nadu and across India. I thank BJP party for giving me this opportunity to join this great organization. It's a privilege for me. Thank you once again for coming here. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Sir, நான் ஒரு கட்சியோட லாயல் சோல்ஜர் சார். கட்சி என்ன முடிவு பண்ணுதோ அதுதான் சார். எந்த கண்டிஷனுமே இல்லாமல் தான் சார் கட்சிக்கு வந்திருக்கேன். நம்ம பிரசிடென்ட் சார் வேறு என்ன சொல்கிறாங்களோ உங்களுக்கு கீழே வேலை செய்கிறக்காக தான் சார் இங்கே இருக்கேன். தேங்க்யூ சார். Sir, BJP as a party doesn't work like that, sir. This party doesn't work like other parties where people demand and come in. I've come in as a loyal soldier, sir. ஒரு சாதாரண மனிதனாக தொண்டனாக உள்ள வந்திருக்கேன் சார். There are millions of people before me and who have done great service to this party. I never ever ask anything in the party. I've just come as a loyal foot soldier, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was a joining ceremony. I believe question answers can wait. He'll of course be available for question answers, and you can meet him after this because there's an important meeting that Mr. Muralidhar Rao ji also has to attend. At the end, I would just say to our good friend and our eminent personality today, K. Annamalai ji, Bharatiya Janata Party Kachchail Tangalai Varavera Kirom. Thank you everyone. Welcome to BJP. Thank you.